In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paint Killik Camouflage. To save time in the video, we've already done the disassembly, degreasing, abrasive blasting, and applied a base coat. The base color is FDE. The stencil pack we're using in this video is available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. The stencil pack contains several offset duplicate shapes. We will start with the smaller of the offset shapes. This will allow us to create the overlap effect later. Our second color will be light purple or lavender. With our second color cure, we'll add more stencils. These will be the same shapes as the prior step. Our third color will be brown. With our brown color cure, we'll add more stencils. This time we do not have to consider the overlaps. Our fourth color is charcoal. Next, we'll start adding the overlapping stencils. These should be the larger shapes you left behind from sheets 1 and 2 of the stencil pack. We also have serpentine shapes left from sheets 3 and 4 that we'll fill in at the end. With our last set of positive stencils applied, we'll spray beige. The remaining dot pattern is created by reverse stenciling. Start by weeding out all the female stencils. With all the female stencils weeded, we can place them in random places on the project and spray through the dots. Notice I've added masking tape to extend the borders to prevent overspray. Last, we remove the stencils and reassemble our project. That concludes Killik Camouflage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can also support this channel by visiting freedomstencils.com. Thanks for watching.